Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing of a iRobot Braava, a mopping robot. It's kind of like the normal, vacuum cleaner robot, but it's for mopping. I haven't tried it yet, obviously, but supposedly it's good for mopping. And there's the back of the box. This is the 380T model. So it uses some disposable mats or washable mats to clean. Alright, I'm gonna pop it open now. So I've already cut the little tape here. These are open. Inside is this looks like manuals, maybe? Probably manuals. Oh yeah, definitely manuals, warranties, stuff like that. A couple of C-cell batteries. Not sure what this is. Maybe a docking station. Your power plug. Some of those mopping cloths. This looks like probably the adapter head for the mop. And here's the robot itself. Just one hand. Oh, there you are. Yes, that's the mop itself. A bunch of rollers here. Looks like there's a battery pack underneath as well, taped on. And that is it. That is the iRobot Braava 380T. Well, actually, though, that's a battery pack. Yeah, and that's the iRobot Braava 380T mopping robot. Thanks for watching.